Good morning, welcome to our vlog 3721. I'm João,
Hi, good morning. I'm Delphina.
and today we're saying hello. After we did a walk at the Tygerberg Nature Reserve, which is at the back there. I'm pointing it out there. You can see there by the tower. It was about, not quite sure, it's about 8 kilometers that we walked. We walked all around the hill here, this Tygerberg Hill mountain, and it was very hot. It was up and down. We were roughly 15 people walking. I'm not quite sure at the moment how many we were. It was very hot, it wasn't difficult, but it was hot.
Yeah, it was quite hot, and especially going uphill, the heat gets to one, and there was hardly any shade. But otherwise, really beautiful. The scenery was lovely, and just being with the Guillaume Camino hiking group was nice. To see old faces and old friends. Really nice to touch base again. Yeah, it's 20 rand to get into the reserve, which is not much, and it's nice and secure.
Yes, it's secure.
It's really nice. Yeah, we couldn't talk much while we were hiking. It was fast-paced. It was fast-paced, yeah.
It was a fast-paced hike, yeah. We basically stopped twice, and we didn't have time to say hello in the video. Now we're doing it.
Yeah.
We just had a break now after the walk. We had something to eat and a nice cold beer that we enjoyed.
Yeah, I had an appetizer and a sandwich. Yeah, it was nice.
Good. See you on the next one. If you like our vlogs, click on subscribe. It's for free, and we'll see you then.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat.
First time I saw a caracal.
Just believe in what I see. 'Cause I can feel the energy.
On that side.
Yeah.
They taught me lows are what makes you feel so high. No matter how far my mind would wander, I'd always dare it to go even farther. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see. 'Cause I can feel the energy, energy, the energy. I can feel it, I can feel it. 'Cause I can feel the energy, energy. I can feel it, yeah. I believe it, yeah. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see. 'Cause I can feel the energy, energy. I can feel it. I feel it.
That might have been
'Cause I can feel the energy, energy.
so the Francais is more flat and open, but it's also more rainy along the Norte. So I was sort of preparing myself mentally for that.
When you did the front side,
This morning 5:30, and they went from Lions Head down to Clifton and then through Sea Point up the stick. Hey. Walking stick helps, eh?
It's a nice part of the walk here.
what?
This whole valley is a bit wet that time of the year. Nee, ding gesit. Ja, ek het saam ander mense gedoen, maar hulle het dit nou doen. Hulle het dit in 2014 gedoen. Dus dit nou, ja, nee, moet maar dit doen.
Van die dier hier nu?
Ja, ek was van plan om die jaar te doen. Afgetree.
engaging.
You know, there was a time that my lady was missing.
You know where to go?
Yeah.
And then I actually even went